Hello, Scott here. Today I want to talk to you about the latest addition to my fleet of lawn tractors. Today we're looking at a John Deere 216. I believe the serial number indicates this one is from 1987, and it's their 200 series lawn tractor with a 16 horsepower Kohler engine in it. And I got this really good deal. I couldn't even turn it down, so whether I needed it or not. Anyway, so here we're going to take a look at the serial number. There's the serial number, and I see there's just a little bit of paint rubbed off there. That's no big deal. This thing is in phenomenal shape, I believe. The only problem with it that I found is with the transaxle. The transaxle doesn't move, so the engine started for me, and even the mower deck started spinning when I engaged it, but when you put it in gear, no go. So I did do a little investigating, and I found out that the tire on the left over here is actually filled with liquid and is very heavy, and the one on the right is not filled with liquid. But I tell you what, when you look at the rust on that, I bet you it was one time filled with liquid and now it's a puddle in somebody's garage. So closer look at the 216. Let's go under the hood. As I said, we got ourselves a Kohler. Let me get around the other side. There it is. It's a Kohler K341. And I see there's a service tag. It's got some oil information on it. I see a note that says carb rebuilt July of 2011. If that's what that means. We got a battery here that's it's a new battery from June of 2022. That's when we're making this video right now, in 2022. This plastic piece is still intact. Oftentimes these older tractors, that breaks and it's no longer there, so that's nice to see that. The knob is in place. My other 200 series tractors, that's missing. This one has an electric PTO for engaging the blade. It does have a manual lift though. That would be this for lifting and lowering the deck, or snow blower, put snow blower on it. So let's turn the lights on and see what happens. Alright, we've got working lights. Lights work, but the transaxle does not. So, anyway, alright, let's crank this thing up, see what happens. We're in neutral. I think despite the fact that we got a 2022 battery in 2022, something has compromised the battery. We're going to get a jumper pack on there and get this thing started. Alright, so got it started. That was a good thing, but unfortunately variator, let me explain variator to you here. So how these lawn tractors work from this particular series, you've got your gear shift down here, obviously, well, not obviously, but I'm telling you, and right now it's in neutral, and you'll see from the top here, this here is first gear. You flip this open, and this is like really slow crawl. This would be if you had maybe implement a tiller or something like that you wanted to move, pull behind. But so you can see this is first gear, second gear, and then this one over here it's rubbed off, but that's neutral, excuse me, that's reverse. And now here we got third and then fourth. So here we're in second and then third and so on and so forth. But the cool thing about this tractor is the variator, and what I'm talking about is this right here. Whatever gear you have it in, including reverse, this lever is going to affect the speed. If it's in the upright position like this, it's going to go slow. But without changing gears, if you press this button down and then move this forward, the further forward you move it, see there's spots there where it catches. The further you move it down, the faster it goes. So it kind of has kind of an early version of a hydrostatic. They call it a variator. So that's what's going on there. So you put it in the gear that you want, and you start rolling. If you want to go a little bit faster, you can adjust that and go a little bit faster. And if you want to go even faster than that, then you'd have to go to a higher gear. But anyway, there's a lot of information out there on the internet about these lawn tractors. They happen to be one of my favorite styles ever since I fixed my first one. And I'm not an expert yet, but I'm working on it. So hey, you know what, if you enjoyed today's video, I thank you for watching, and I thank you for subscribing. So go ahead and mash that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next video.